Hey, it's Pete here with Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. I posted a video about a year ago about GT Biopharma. Well, actually, it was probably 2 years ago. It was during COVID. And this company is pretty interesting with all the things they're doing because they're making a cancer treatment drug that's supposed to be revolutionary. So, like many stocks in the process, they actually went up and down. So, I wanted to show you this. They're around here, shot up big time to $18 and some change, I think. And then, of course, they went down. Supposedly, there was some fraud in the company or something. Full disclaimer. And the highest they were at is 33 in a 5 year term. Now they're at 28.30 cents. I'm almost thinking that this is the bottom because I've never seen it lower. One couple little things have changed recently. They said they're anticipating clearance for their anti-cancer drug, treatment drug. I'm not a scientist, so I'm not going to pretend to read all this and pretend like I know exactly what's going on. But it's a tri-key platform. So it's an anti-treatment drug for the treatment of leukemia and solid tumors. So it's basically a new drug. They're anticipating getting an approval for. They've also were doing better than expected as far as their quarterly returns, which is, of course, good. And they have a $2 price target. This does say overvalued here in full disclosure, but according to other things here, they have a $2 price target. They're in a bullish pattern. And the question is, will this be making a turnaround? So this is not advice to buy or sell any stock, but what I saw last time is a nice run up. So we ran up to 9, went down to 4.90, then up to 18, and of course it's down. So we're at a couple cents here. So getting shares of this, if it turns around anywhere near here, could easily be a 10x stock. Comment below. Let me know what you think about GT Biopharma. I think there's a great opportunity here. It's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. Have a great day.